To fix your Anker power bank that is not charging, first understand the possible reasons behind the issue. The most common causes include a faulty charging cable, a malfunctioning USB port, or a dead battery. Start by checking the charging cable for any signs of damage, such as frayed wires or bent connectors. Try using a different cable to rule out any issues with the current one. Next, inspect the USB port on the power bank for dust, dirt, or corrosion. Clean the port gently with a cotton swab to ensure proper contact. If the issue persists, reset the power bank by pressing and holding the power button for 10 seconds. This will restart the device and may resolve any software-related problems. It is also essential to check the battery level, as some power banks have a low-voltage cutoff feature that prevents charging when the battery is completely drained. Another possible solution is to charge the power bank using a different power source, such as a wall adapter or a computer. This will help determine if the issue lies with the power bank itself or the charging source. To prevent similar issues in the future, make sure to charge your power bank regularly and avoid deep discharges. It is also recommended to update the power bank's firmware, if available, to ensure you have the latest features and fixes. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve the issue with your Anker power bank. If the problem persists, it may be worth contacting Anker support for further assistance or considering a replacement if the device is still under warranty.